There's no picking, okay?
Yes, Mama.
Close properly.
I have a very properly closed.
Thank you.
Okay, guys. Open your eyes. Open. Shalom, open your eyes. So, we have shirts here. Don't stand up. Sit down. We have shirts here. Solomon, that's yours. Pick it.
Signature is this.
Shalom, this is yours. Pick it.
Signature is this.
Okay, guys. I need you. Shalom, go and sit there where Solomon is.
Okay.
Good. And he sent you a message.
Can you see?
Can we see?
He sent you a message. That's the message.
Hi Shalom, hi Solomon, it's David here, so I'm just on set working at the moment, trying to keep warm. But John has told me all about you both, and I just wanted to send you a message because I also know that you're huge Manchester United fans, so I hope I get to meet you at some point. Take care, and I'll see you soon.
Keywords. I hope I get to see you someday. See you soon.
Hi Shalom, hi Solomon, it's David here, so I'm just on set working at the moment, trying to keep warm.
David Beckham
But
just
John has
sent
told
my
me
shirt.
all about you both,
Don't call
and I
me,
just
don't
wanted to
text me,
send you a message.
delete my number.
Munage, block me even.
I hope I get to meet you at some point. Take care, and I'll see you soon.